We have been in the process of designing, creating, imagining what's possible for this space to bring out the best in our students' learning. And I think what we have achieved here is a beautiful building with amazing spaces that I think will be really attractive for our students. We have a maker's space, augmented reality, virtual reality simulation environments. We have a digital learning studio with really high-performing computers, and in that same space we have the ability for the students to prototype with goggles to check what they've designed, see what works, what doesn't work, and then go back to computer and keep going. The high bay lab, the 10-metre high space in the building. The height means that we can fly drones. The 5-ton gantry that we have in here means that we can pick up trucks, we can pick up ambulances, we can pick up light aircraft. And on level 4 and 5, we have the ICT studios as well as the Aviation flight procedures labs. The building is censored and allows us to see how the building's flexing as people use it. Those sensors allow our students to study real time what's going on and to then practice those skills which they'll use in industry as soon as they get out. We have an industry engagement zone where the students day-to-day work on their project, have industry come in for meetings, and then also access the other parts of the building with their industry colleagues on those projects. This building really means being able to play and explore, and that's where a lot of our really great learning comes from.